In this video, I will show how to restore any deleted video in your Windows 11. So this is not any software. Without using any software, guys, you can restore your deleted video if you have a recycle bin. So this is a simple video, guys. Only just you have to restore your videos from recycle bin. So open recycle bin. You will see a list of files and which you deleted before. So to restore any file, right click on it, then click on restore. Just you have to select right click and restore. So thanks for watching, and guys, share, like and subscribe this channel. Just you have to open recycle bin. Here you will see your deleted file and programs. Right click on that file or program and restore. And guys, if you deleted permanently, so there are some another way. You need some third-party program or software to restore them. If you need to restore your permanently deleted video, so comment. I will give another method if you need it. So thanks for watching.